In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your PayPal balance. Let's walk through this together so you always know exactly where your money stands. Start by opening the PayPal app on your phone, or if you prefer a larger screen, head to the official PayPal website in your browser. Using the latest version of the app and a secure internet connection helps everything load quickly and keeps your account safe. Next, log into your PayPal account. If you have extra security like two-factor authentication turned on, follow those prompts. It's a good practice to keep your account protected and to avoid logging in on shared or public devices when possible. Once you're in, you'll land on the home screen. Right at the top, you'll see your PayPal balance. This amount reflects what's currently available to spend or transfer from your PayPal account. If you recently received money or issued a refund, you might notice updates here. Sometimes funds can be pending or on hold due to review or processing times, so the number you see is what you can use right now. If you want a deeper look, click or tap Wallet. Wallet gives you a clear picture of your available balance and shows the bank accounts and cards you've linked to PayPal. This is a great place to confirm which funding sources are connected. Depending on your setup, you might see balances in different currencies, and the display can vary slightly between the app and the website. But the essentials are the same: your balance at the top and your financial connections listed below. For a full breakdown of what's been affecting that balance, go to Activity. This is where you can review your recent transactions, including payments received, purchases, refunds, fees, and transfers to or from your bank. Use the filters and date range to quickly find what you're looking for, and select any transaction to view more details like status and timestamps. If you don't see something update immediately, give it a moment and refresh. Some transactions can take a short time to finalize, and that's really all there is to it. By opening the app or website, logging in, checking the balance on the home screen, diving into Wallet for details, and reviewing Activity for the full history, you'll always have a clear view of your PayPal balance and what's changed it. That's it. Your PayPal balance and transaction history are now visible. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PayPal tips and tutorials.